Hello, and welcome to my YouTube channel, where we talk all things investing and finance. And I'm excited to share with you some of my insights on how to achieve financial success. First things first, it's important to understand that investing is not just for the wealthy. In fact, anyone can invest and build wealth over time. The key is to start early, invest consistently, and have a long-term mindset. Investing is the process of putting your money into various assets with the aim of generating income and building wealth over time. There are various investment options, including stocks, bonds, real estate, and mutual funds. The idea is to choose investments that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. When it comes to the stock market, it's essential to understand that it can be volatile and unpredictable in the short term. However, over the long term, it has provided higher returns than any other asset class. One way to minimize the risks associated with investing in individual stocks is to invest in index funds or mutual funds, which offer diversification and broad exposure to the stock market. Real estate is another popular investment option that can provide steady cash flow and long-term appreciation. Investing in rental properties can generate passive income, but it also requires a certain level of expertise and management. It's essential to conduct thorough due diligence, assess the potential of a property, and have a solid understanding of the local real estate market. It's also important to differentiate between assets and liabilities. Assets are things that generate income and increase in value over time, such as rental properties, stocks, or businesses. Liabilities, on the other hand, are things that require you to pay out money, such as car loans or credit card debt. The goal is to accumulate assets and minimize liabilities to increase your net worth over time. To achieve financial success, it's crucial to have a solid plan and be disciplined in your approach to investing and finance. This means setting clear financial goals, creating a budget, and sticking to it. It's also important to educate yourself and stay up to date with the latest trends and developments in the investment world. Attend seminars, read books, and seek out mentors who can guide you along the way. In summary, investing in finance can seem daunting, but with a clear plan, discipline, and education, anyone can achieve financial success. It's essential to choose investments that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance and to differentiate between assets and liabilities. Remember to be patient, persistent, and focused on the long term, and you'll be on your way to achieving your financial dreams. Subscribe to our channel and hit notification icon to receive more content like this every time we post.